I walked away before the final bell rang, hey, thinking I could find my way without all that slang. But looking back now, it was a foolish choice. Hey, left the whole world of dreams and I silenced my voice. Hey, regrets sit heavy like a weight on my chest. Coming to terms that I missed the very best. Regrets, they haunt me like shadows at night. If I stayed in school, would my future be bright? Mistakes I made, I can't take them back. Hoping one day I find my way back on track. Friends moved on, got their degrees in a glance. While I was struggling without a helping hand. Could have been a scholar, now I'm stuck in the grind. Lost in the hustle, I'm just trying to unwind. Education's the key, but I threw it away. Now I'm chasing my past, but it's hard to replay. Regrets, they haunt me like shadows at night. If I stayed in school, would my future be bright? Mistakes I made, I can't take them back. Hoping one day I'll find my way back on track. So here's my story, a lesson to share. Stay in the game, life's too precious to spare. Hey.